In this video we are going to show how a user is able to use the scanning functionality at the Xerox device. The user would log in to access the device in the same way as they would do, for example, to release their print jobs. When they arrive at the home screen, from here they can select the Scan Functions button. As default, the button is called Scan Path, but this is customizable. The user will now see the scanning functions and processes available to them. The processes can be tailored to the individual user, groups of users, or the machine IP address. To scan back to their own email address, they simply click on Scan to Me. From here, they are able to edit the file format. The user can also edit the file name. Once they have configured the scan and they have put the paper into the document feeder or onto the glass, they can press the scan button and the device will perform the scan. The user is kept informed of the progress and once completed can return back to the scan process's home screen. If a user would like to scan to an email address other than their own, they can simply press on the Scan to Email button. From here they have again options to change the file format and the file name, additional options to change the subject and the body content of the email. In order to select the recipients, the user clicks on the Search button. They can do a full search of the directory. Here the user can enter part or all of the name that they want to search for. The more they type, the fewer the options that are returned. The user is able to select the name of the user, click OK, and it will display in the box who the recipient is. Should they wish to add to the users that they've selected, they can click on Search, and they can add additional users. Again, once they're happy with the configuration, they're able to press on the Scan button and perform the scan. Other scan processes shown on screen include scan to the home directory. The directory path for their home directory is pulled again automatically using Active Directory. They can also perform a scan to file. Here they can select the path they want to scan to. In this case we're selecting the administration path, and again they can press scan and perform the scan. Other options include scan to SharePoint and scan to web applications. In this example we're showing scan to OneDrive and scan to Google Drive. A user would link their account using a web page in advance of using the MFP. The ScanPath server then has a token authorizing them to scan into their OneDrive account. The options for scanning into the OneDrive account from the MFP are very simple. It allows them to change the file format and again to change the file name, meaning that the user can perform the scan at the panel of the MFP quickly in order to free the device up for the next user. Once they've finished the session, they can either swipe the card again to log out or go back to the home screen and log out manually from the panel. And that's how users would use the scanning functionality at the device.